In today's lesson we'll be looking how do the impacts of tourism change over time. Tier 3 words. Mass tourism. It's a form of tourism that involves tens of thousands of people going to the same resort, often at the same time of the year. An example of this is like Cornwall or Devon this year. Tourism stagnation. The effects of falling tourism. If a resort goes out of fashion, leads into economic decline. How do tourist locations change over time? If you look at these two pictures before and after, have a good study. Number 1, how has the tourist location changed? Number 2, why has the area changed? And number 3, what may be the impact of the change? The Butler model, have a look at this, it's a chart, so look at the Y and the X axes. The purpose of the Butler model is to look at the way tourist resorts grow and develop. The tourist industry, like all industries, is dynamic and constantly changing. The Butler model is a way of studying tourist resorts. It shows how they change over time, and more importantly, it looks at the advantages and disadvantages of tourism. Have a look at the next 7 slides to look at the different stages of the Butler model. Your task is to write in your book or on a piece of paper the Butler model. Draw a copy of the Butler model in your book, like the example at the side. Use a ruler and a pencil and label each stage with a number. Have a look at the side of the diagram, and that's what the example is. And your final task is, underneath your graph, write up and match the statement to the correct stage. So for example, stage 1, exploration. B, few tourist facilities which are visited by only small numbers of adventurous travellers. Now pause the video, have a go at the task, and in a few minutes there will be the answers to go through and check, go over your work and correct if needed.